And in this video, I'd like to share with you where you can acquire really affordable land right now that is actually in the path of growth and some different investment strategies you can leverage to go ahead and profit from these particular parcels. So right now I'm on Valencia County, New Mexico's homepage, and this is where I think you should put land investing on your radar. So right now, Facebook is broke ground on their data center here, and there is a lot of growth going on in this area. They're putting in a major water line to develop, bring in more businesses, more houses, and this is what you want to do if you're a land investor looking for appreciation plays where the growth is coming your way. If you pick up these parcels in Rio del Oro, New Mexico right now, at the beginning phases, you could potentially profit very nicely from these on the back end. So let's talk about how much these parcels could cost you right now. We're going to go over to LandWatch, and these quarter-acre parcels over there are very common. And to pick one of these up, if you were to do a seller finance deal, you could go ahead and leverage someone else's financing and pick them up for $99 down, $99 a month for 12 months for a purchase price of $1,300 on these. Now, if you're a cash buyer, you could typically pick these up for about $800 or less per parcel. So let's talk about what your holding costs are going to be on these, because that always is another concern when you're buying raw land. So I'm over on their treasurer site in Valencia County. I put in a random parcel number, and their annual taxes on this particular lot is $1.82. Now, I invest here myself, and from what I've seen, the vast majority of these parcels are under $5 a year for your taxes and holding costs on there. So it's very affordable to not only acquire, but your carrying costs are very low as well. So let's talk about some different investment strategies you can leverage and why you can get into the game right now. So I'm over at landho.tv. They're one of the largest holders of lots in this area right now. And one way is you could pick up these lots, like we said, for anywhere from $800 to $1,300. You can hold them, and as the growth comes into the area, you can go ahead and sell them on the back end a year or two or multiple down the road and get your profit that way. The next way is to buy bulk packages of these at a discount, and then turn around and list them individually, mark each one up, and you can make your profit on them that way as well. A little bit faster, but a little less profit in most cases. And the best way, my favorite way personally, is to hold the financing for the next buyer. So you could also buy in bulk packages from someone like Landho and turn around and offer seller financing on each parcel so that you can go ahead and get monthly residual income from every one of these affordable lots month in and month out. So if you are interested in picking up some of these parcels, you can connect with someone like Landho and just reach out to them directly. Let them know you're interested in acquiring properties in Valencia County, New Mexico. You could email them at info@landho.tv or just call the office at 855-526-3461. Acquire their list of available properties as well as their pricing. See which ones are going to be a fit for you.